How can you avoid incorrect conditional logic mistakes? Imagine trying to fix a puzzle, but some pieces don't fit because of a small mistake. That's what incorrect conditional logic can do to your code. It might seem tiny, but it can cause big problems. So, how do you prevent these mistakes from sneaking in? Let's walk through some simple, clear steps to keep your code working smoothly. First, think like a computer when you write conditions. Computers evaluate conditions based on exact syntax and logical operators. For example, using double vertical bars for or double ampersands for and. If you mix them up, your code might always run one part or never run at all. To avoid this, walk through your conditions step by step as if you were the computer. Check if each part makes sense and if the logic flows correctly. Next, avoid making your code too complicated with many nested if statements. Deep nesting can make it hard to follow and easy to make mistakes. Instead, use early returns or guard clauses. This means checking for a condition early and exiting if it's true. It keeps your code flat and easier to read, which helps you spot errors faster. Use structured conditional statements like else if chains or switch statements. These organize related conditions clearly and prevent overlapping or conflicting checks. When you group related conditions, it's easier to see if something doesn't add up. Don't repeat the same condition in multiple places. Repeating can cause inconsistencies if you forget to update one check. Instead, create helper functions or variables that hold your conditions. This way, if you need to change the logic later, you only change it in one spot. Always test your code thoroughly. Use debugging tools to step through your program and watch how conditions evaluate. Add assertions to verify assumptions during runtime. Also, create test cases that cover different scenarios. This helps you catch logical errors early before they cause bigger issues. Getting a second opinion from another developer can reveal mistakes you might overlook. Explaining your logic out loud or writing it down helps clarify your thinking. Sometimes, just talking through your code makes errors obvious. Finally, write your conditions in a way that clearly shows what they do. Avoid unnecessary else blocks when they're not needed. Make your conditions straightforward and easy to understand. When your code clearly states its intent, it's easier to verify it works correctly. By following these steps, you can avoid many common mistakes with conditional logic. Clear, simple, and well-tested code makes debugging easier and your programs more reliable. Remember, good habits in writing conditions lead to fewer bugs and smoother troubleshooting.